Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video and in this time, I will explain about physical measurement, basic concept and definition. Knowledge of the world around us, the study of phenomena that occur in it, practical human activities related to the need to take measurements of basic quantities. The sequential measurements of experimental and computational operations are carried out with the aim of finding physically quantity values that characterize of a specific phenomenon or property of an object. Physically quantity, for example, body mass and temperature, strength, electric field strength, magnetic permeability of substance, the total number that is being used amounts to several thousand physical. Its value is one of the basic mathematical concepts, which means that is in the process of developing science, it is subject to repeated generalizations. The original concept of value was introduced as a direct generalization of more specific concepts: length, area, volume, mass, and so on. Each particular type of value is associated with a certain way of comparing physical bodies or other objects. Each measurement implements an operation comparing the homogeneous properties of physical quantities based on more or less. The value of the physical quantity is referred to in the form of a number of intention unit adapted for it. For example, if the body length is 15 meters and the mass is 10 kilograms, then 15 and tens are numerical values of physical quantity, and meters and kilograms are the corresponding intention units. Unit of physical quantities. Specific physical quantities which, by definition, are given a numerical value equal to 1. It is important to distinguish true and actual values from physical quantities. Real meaning. Physical quantity value, which ideally reflects the corresponding property of the measurement object. Actual value, physical quantity value found experimentally and very close to the actual value, so that it can be used as a substitute in certain situations. Completed measurement include the following elements: physical object, property or state characterized by the measured value. This unit of value, technical measurement instrument spaced in certain units, measurement method, the observer or recording device fills the measurement result, the value obtained from the measured value, and the estimate deviation from the actual value, namely the error. The accuracy, the reproducibility of the measurements result depend on the quality of the unit used. Unit reference is a way to ensure reproduction and storage of physical quantity measurement units. There are four standard levels. 1. International standards, which are units of measure that reproduce as accurately as possible. 2. Primary standards stored in the country's national laboratory and provide highest measurement accuracy in them. 3. Secondary standards given the manufacturing industry metrology laboratory. 4. Work standards designed to monitor and calibrate the measuring instrument used in daily practice. Low-level standards are regularly monitored by higher level standards. This ensures constant measurement accuracy. All measurements are divided into direct and indirect. Direct measurement. Measurement where the physical quantity value is determined directly from the reading of the measuring instrument used, like stopwatch, ruler, ammeter. Indirect measurement. Measurement in which the value of a physical quantity is found with the help of a previously known connection between it and the quantity determined by direct intention. For example, body density P can be found from direct measurement of mass M and volume V using a formula known as P is M divided by V. Similarly, the electrical resistance R is determined by Ohm law. R is U determined by E according to the measured value of voltage and current. SI, physical oversight unit system. All known physical quantities are interrelated by certain relationships and formulas. It is possible to express some value through other. The set of units of physical quantities that are interconnected by certain dependencies is called the system of physical number units. The physical amount included in the system and adopted conditionally as independent is called the basic number of system. Physical quantities that are included in the system and are defined through the basic values of the system are called derivative values. The international accepted SI physical quantity system and accord with the decision of the 11th General Conference on Weight and Measure in 1960 is generally accepted today. That's all my video in this time. Hopeful it's useful. And final words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.